Hi again, everyone. Hopefully you were able to again print this. If not, you can kind of take notes on just the important little notes here. So today we're doing another kind of transformation. We're doing reflections, and then we're going to talk about symmetry. All right, so obviously the first line is a giveaway. Reflection is a transformation that flips, that's the kind of the key word, or reflects a figure over a line. So just like when you're looking in the mirror, guys, your reflection is flipped. So it's almost like if you're looking at these two figures, this line here, which is called the line of reflection, very original. It says it's the line that separates a figure and its image. Points, shapes, and lines on either side of the line will be the mirror image of the other. A point and its image are the same distance from the line. That's how we're actually going to graph it. And so in this picture, here's the line of reflection. And it's just like this guy is looking into the mirror and he's equal distant on the other side. Right? When you look in a mirror, it's not like your face is pressed up against it on the other side. No. If you're 2 feet away, then the image looks 2 feet away. So that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, so here's the directions. It says to reflect a figure, you must reflect all the points of the figure over the line of reflection and then connect them to create the image of the original figure. Again, we're labeling the new figure with the primes. Okay? So let's go through this example here. You can just kind of watch. It says triangle A prime, B prime, C prime is the reflection of triangle ABC. So you can see it. So how did they do it? Well, and they're reflecting over the y-axis. So sometimes I draw dots over where it's reflecting. So look at point A. All you do is you count how far away it is from the line of reflection. So it is 1, 2 away. So then you go 1, 2 on the other side, mark it, label it A prime. Same thing with C. It's 2 away. You go 2 away on the other side, mark it C prime. Letter B is 1, 2, 3, 4 away, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4 away on the other side. Boom. Now what else did they do here? Ah, yes, then they said this guy here, A double prime, is the reflection of this original over the x-axis. So see, it depends where you're reflecting. So now if I'm going to reflect this original triangle over the x-axis, then I got to count towards the x-axis. So C is 1 away, I put it 1 away on the other side. You get the idea. A is 1, 2, 3, 4 away, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4 away on the other side. And it should look like a mirror image, right? Remember yesterday our image stayed looking the same, like this would just move around still looking like this. Now look what's happening, things are flipping, all right? Just like reflecting in a mirror. Okay, so let's try one. It says, find the image of triangle DEF after reflection over the line x equals -1. Now they helped us out. They put this dotted line right at x equals -1, right? Where does x equal -1? Everywhere here. Okay, so that's our line of reflection. Let's do this one's, I like starting with the closest. You don't have to. So D is 2 away, 1, 2. I'm going to go 2 away, boom, and mark it D prime. E is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and mark it E prime. And F is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ooh, just made it. F prime. All right, let's connect it and we should get a triangle that looks like the mirror image of the original. And it looks like we do. So we're good to go and it should be equal distance from your line of reflection. Don't get caught doing it over one of the axes every time. You have to read which is your line of reflection. All right. Page 2 here. We get to do another one from the top. Graph triangle XYZ, sorry if that didn't come out. XYZ with vertices x is -1, negative 1, x. 0, 3, that's y. And 3, 0, that's z. Okay, let's connect our triangle. There we go. Okay, and we're going to reflect over the line y equals negative 2. This is actually good practice. Now, where does y equal negative 2? Here's the y. Y equals negative 2 here, and here, and here, and here. So this is your line of reflection. You feel free to do dots, or if you can memorize it, but I like to put the line of reflection on there. Okay, so then you just count. So x prime is going to be 1 away. Y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away. Y prime, and z is 1, 2 away. 1, 2, z prime. And let's connect it and hope that it looks like a mirror image. Nice. Okay. Another practice. Graph the image of triangle ABC after reflection in the y-axis. Ooh, this one's weird because it's going across it. So here's the y-axis. It's almost going to flip right over that. So C is 1, 2, 3 away. 1, 2. I'm putting C prime over here. B is going to flip the other side. Oh, I think my camera's falling. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. There's B prime. And A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's A prime. So this is going to look funny, but it's kind of like overlapping itself here. Yep. Looks like a crown. All right. And now last thing to talk about is symmetry. Hopefully you guys are sticking with me. All right, so symmetry, well, that's the first line. Symmetry is when a figure can be reflected over a line so that its image matches the original figure. The line is called the line of symmetry. I don't know why that line is so small, but so basically, guys, the line of symmetry is if you draw a line and you folded the image on that line, it would line up exactly. So if I were to fold this triangle, mine's a little off, right on this line, those would match up exactly. Now, does this triangle have more lines of symmetry? Actually, yeah, it does. Because if I folded it this way, those two would line up. If I folded it this way, those would line up. So you kind of have to look around. The light bulb, I think that just has one, right? Right down the middle. That's the only way that works. If I try to put a line this way, that's not going to fold on itself, right? You got the small part, you got the big part, no good. This guy looks like it has a bunch, right? If I were to fold it, boom, like that, that would work. Every vertex would work, right? Boom. This way. What am I missing? This way. And one more? Yes. This way. I think that's all for that one. The alarm clock? That's looking like one to me. Luckily it's at 6 o'clock. Right? That's the only one that works. Alright, if we keep going. This one, well, let's go with the star. Star's gonna have a bunch, right? If I go here, would that work? Yes. So every point is gonna have one. You guys might be better at seeing these than me. This always takes me a while. I don't have a good visualization for that. This one, Does this have a line of symmetry? I know this one does not, right? You can't find anything. M would work here. Now what about this guy? If I folded it, or if I drew a line here, when you fold it, it's not going to line up. Here, no, it's not going to line up. What about the diagonal? Will that fold on itself? I'm going to let you guys think about that one, and we will get back to it maybe tomorrow. So check out your sheet, the practice problem. You get to use Kami, and I think it should be pretty easy to use. Like I said yesterday, when I'm graphing it, I use the paintbrush for the points and the lines, obviously for the lines. You can use a text box for the letters, and it should work out. All right, so good luck. Let me know if you have questions, and you have 2 days to get that Kami sheet done. Tomorrow, you have a little video that goes with it, but mostly the Kami worksheet. All right, talk to you later.